Johnny Matiev, hello to you. Kyrgyzstan Alga. And hello to Misha. Misha Abyalov also flying the flag for the KALKAN team. The first shot's away. The assault team is also away. This looks strong. This looks very good for the Kyrgyzstan team. Here we go. Here we go. Back through the breaching door. Shouts of encouragement for the Kyrgyzstan side. This is quick. Will they make it under that 2-minute mark? 149, 150.07 for Kyrgyzstan. Wow. Narrowly missing out on pipping the Dubai Police B team. The second quickest time of the day we've had so far from the KALKAN Special Forces Department of Kyrgyzstan. As long as it was clean.